How to plan, build an MVP, launch and market your side hustle. Welcome back to newsletter 6 of the Side Hustle Weekend series. After spending yesterday discovering your niche and validating your idea, today we're focusing on the fun part, taking all your preparation and turning it into something real. We're going to roll up our sleeves and dive into the real world execution of your side hustle. We'll talk about planning your product, creating a minimum viable product, and crafting a compelling brand and marketing strategy for your side hustle. Let's get to work. Step 1. Planning your product. A solid plan lays the foundation for your side hustle. Think of it as your map, guiding you through the process of transforming your validated idea into a real-world product. For this, tools like Notion, Milanote, and Coda can be incredibly useful. Notion offers a comprehensive workspace that you can customize to fit your plan and process. You can use it for everything from writing out your project's objectives, setting milestones, to tracking progress, and much more. Milanote, on the other hand, is excellent for visual thinkers. Its intuitive interface allows you to create visual boards for your ideas and plans, helping you see the bigger picture clearly. Finally, Coda combines the best of documents, spreadsheets, and applications into a single platform. This flexibility allows you to mold your Coda environment to suit your needs. Vanessa started her planning process with Notion. She created a roadmap outlining the essential features of her AI-powered fitness app, established milestones, and defined her goals. She also used the Notion Chrome extension to build a database of relevant information from across the web. This initial planning step was crucial for her as it gave her a clear direction and helped manage her workflow effectively. Step 2. Creating a minimum viable product. Once your plan is laid out, it's time to create a minimum viable product. An MVP is a basic version of your product that includes the most essential features. It's like the sneak peek of a movie. It's got the core elements to give your audience a taste of the whole picture. Developing an MVP allows you to test your idea. An MVP lets you test your product in the real world. It's a way to put your idea in front of users and see how they interact with it. It also allows you to gather feedback. With an MVP, you can gather user feedback early in the development process. This helps you learn more about your customers' needs and expectations. Iterate quickly. Based on the insights and feedback you gain, you can quickly iterate and improve your product. This agile approach saves time and resources, and it helps you build a product that truly resonates with your audience. And the best part, you don't need to be a coding genius to build an MVP. With no-code tools like Webflow for websites, Bravo Studio for apps, and Thunkable for both, you can start building your MVP in an easy, drag-and-drop manner. Step 3. Building your brand and marketing strategy. Once your MVP is in place, it's time to think about branding and marketing. Your brand is the identity of your side hustle, while marketing is how you communicate that identity to your target audience. This is where Canva can become your best friend. Canva is a design tool that makes creating professional-looking graphics a breeze, even if you're not a designer. You can use it to create logos, social media graphics, and marketing materials that capture your brand's identity and resonate with your target audience. Your marketing strategy, on the other hand, is about finding the most effective way to reach your target audience. There are many options you could take advantage of, such as content marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, and SEO. The possibilities are endless. The best way to explore and build an effective strategy is to use a tool like ChatGPT or Chatterpillar. Remember, a strong brand and an effective marketing strategy can set your product apart and help drive its success. That's it. This week, we've gone from analyzing your target market to planning, building, and branding your side hustle. Remember, building a side hustle is a marathon, not a sprint. So take your time, trust the process, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. Stay tuned for this weekend's edition, where we'll delve into user acquisition, growth hacking techniques, and iterating your product. Until then, happy hustling.